유리가 나나나나나 짜라라라라라 그 나나나나 나나나 짜라라 짜라라라라라 짜라라라라 짜라짜라 짜라하는지 짜라라 짜라라라 짜라
Hello, Seal.
Hello, teacher.
Hello. I almost messaged in the group chat, honey. I almost said, "Hello, Seal. Are you available for our class tonight?" But then you entered, so I erased my chat, honey. I mean, I erased my message. Yeah. Okay, anyway, Seal, we were supposed to have the class last Saturday, but I believe that you were busy for your holiday last Saturday, right? Am I right?
Yes.
Yes. So that's fine. Anyway, how's your New Year's Eve or your New Year's Day Seal? How
It's
was your
normal.
holiday? On normal. Did you celebrate?
No.
No, you didn't. You
No.
you didn't eat out. You didn't. I mean, you didn't go to to the restaurant to eat. You didn't.
Only in the 31 December 2025, my mom eat out to celebrate for the New Year.
Ah, this is just the only time. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. That's it. That's it, honey. The New Year's Eve, not the New Year's Day, but the New Year's Eve, honey. The December 31, 2025. Okay. And you ate out in the restaurant, honey, with your family, right? Am I right?
Yes.
Yes. Me, honey, me too. I also really enjoyed my December 31st, 2025 day, honey, or night, because my cousins went here. Yeah, they went here. We celebrated together. We ate lots of food. I decorated the whole house because New Year is very important here, honey. The Christmas and the New Year are very important here in the Philippines. And I believe the one that's very important there in Vietnam, honey, is the Tet, right? The Tet's New Year is more important there. Am I right, Seal?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, it's more important there than the December 31 or the January 1 New Year. Okay. Also, the Christmas is not really important there, honey, right? You don't have Christmas?
Yes.
Yes. Only the Tet. Am I right, honey? That is the most important one. Am I right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. I am really sweating, honey, because I don't know. I think it's because of the weather. It was very, very hot this afternoon, but right now, honey, it's very, very rainy. And I don't know why I'm sweating. Anyway, how's the weather there? Still
It's so cold.
cold? Cold?
Yes.
Do you have winter there?
No.
Cold? Why is it? What makes it cold? Rain?
No, no rain. No, the foggy weather,
But
but it's so
cold.
cold.
Wow, that's amazing. It's cold there in Vietnam.
Yes.
Ho Chi Minh, right? Ho Chi Minh?
What? What?
Is it in Ho Chi Minh? Are you in Ho Chi Minh?
No, I don't know.
Are you in Ho
In
Chi Minh?
Hanoi, it's so cold. I'm in
Or
Hanoi.
you're in Hanoi? Ah, you're not in Ho Chi Minh. You're in Hanoi. Ah, okay, okay, okay. I see, honey. I see. That's why it's cold because Hanoi is cold, right? Yeah. Ho Chi Minh is not really cold. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Did you go to school today, Seal?
Yes.
Okay. How was your whole day? Did you have fun today? Like, are you happy today?
Nothing much.
Just a normal day?
Yes.
Well, me, it's just really a normal day. I haven't really did a lot of things for today. I only stayed at home. Yeah, I watched Avatar, the Avatar 2 and 3, but I didn't finish the 3. Do you know Avatar, honey?
Yes.
You know it? Really? Have you watched it?
Wait, what? You mean
Avatar.
film?
Yeah, the film. I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you. Before we start our class, okay? You should watch this. Do you have Netflix?
No.
Here. This one is so nice. I think you know this. This one, honey. This Avatar. This Avatar, honey. This one. Can you see it?
I'm lucky.
Yeah, this one. This Avatar, my dear. This. Here. I've watched this one. You should watch it, honey. It's so nice. Have you seen this before? Or no?
Yes.
Yeah, you've seen this?
Yes.
Is it nice? What do you think?
Mm,
Is it nice? Or no?
I don't know.
Have you finished? Honey, have you finished watching this? Are you done watching
No.
this? No. You should give it a try. It's so nice. Anyway, since yeah, you were late for I think 4 minutes, honey. Now teacher's going to share the screen, okay? We are now going to have our material. Okay, I think you can see teacher's screen now. Can you see it?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So last time, honey, we've discussed about the usage of for and how or when do we use the word for. And we when we use the word for, honey, it means we are going to dedicate it to use it for the period of, can you read it?
Period of time,
Yes, period of time plus what else?
number,
Number, what else?
time, word.
Very good. Okay, for example, we have here for
10 minutes.
very good. It's a period of, what is it, honey? Period of time, right?
Mm,
Yes. We also have another period of time here. We have for,
For 8 hour.
very good. We also have this one for,
For 5 days.
great. Also,
For 6 months.
next.
For 3 years.
And the last one for,
For 2 centuries.
very good, for 2 centuries. Now, let's have the word since. And how do we use the word since, honey? When do we use it? So for the word since, we have here the
Starting point,
starting point,
a time,
time, and
a date.
yeah, it is something that started in the past, honey. It started in the past, but it is still continuing right now. It still continues right now. Okay? Since is mostly used in the present perfect and perfect progressive tense, honey. Okay? For example, we have here the example, honey. Please read the first one.
He haven't eaten since
He hasn't.
7 o'clock.
He hasn't
Hasn't
eaten. Yeah.
eaten
Since
since
7.
7 o'clock.
Yeah. Right now, honey, he is still not eating. Since, okay? Since the starting point, honey, the starting point or starting time, 7 o'clock.
7
Since
o'clock.
7 o'clock. And he is still not eating until now. Okay? Me, honey, me. I haven't eaten since 5 o'clock. That's true. And now I am very hungry. Okay. Next, we have the next example, honey.
I haven't been working here since June.
Very good. Since month, honey. So she has or he has been working in a company or in this kind of workplace, honey, since June. She has been starting to work there, honey, since June. Me, honey, me too. I have been working here too since June. Yeah. Okay. Next one, we have the third one, honey. Please read. Kindly read, Seal.
We haven't been married since 2022.
It's 2002. 2002. Okay. Let's have this. How do you say this year?
2022.
This year, honey. How do you say this year? 2000? This
One,
one is? Yes, 2001. One more time. 2000. Can you say it?
2001,
Very good. How about this?
2000,
Okay, how about this?
2004,
Yeah. How about this one?
2021,
That's it. This.
2024.
Very good. That is it. Okay. Now, we have here the example, honey. When we use the word since, we have here since. Please read.
Since 8 o'clock.
Okay. Next.
Since Monday.
Very good. Next.
Since February.
Very good. Next.
since 1982.
Yeah, since 1982. Next.
Since
Since.
I left school.
Very good. Since I left school. Next one, we have
Since the end of last century.
okay, since the end of last century, honey. Okay. Now we have here this one, honey. I want you to say, okay, how long have you learned English? So you're going to use this. I have learned English for how many years now, honey? And when have you started learning it? Can you do it, honey? For example, me, I have learned English for 20 years now since I was 5 years old. Or since what year was it? Okay, just example, since 1999. Okay, or I have learned English now. I have learned English for 25 years. Yeah, for 25 years since 1999. Okay, how about you, honey? Your turn now. Okay, I'm giving you
I
time.
had learned.
Just say it if you're ready, okay?
I'm ready.
Okay, go.
I have learned English for 8 years since I was 5 years old.
Very good. That is it. Perfect, honey. Okay, that is it. Okay, that is it. Very good. Okay. So, okay, let's have this one, honey. We have here the questions and the sample answers. Let's read. Teacher's going to read the question and then you read the sample answer. Let's have this. What time do your lessons start every day?
The lesson start at 8 o'clock in the morning and uh,
What time does it start in the afternoon?
for 60
4?
60
Okay.
p.m.
Okay. Now, honey, how many students are there in your class?
There are 46 students in my class.
Very good. That's good, honey. Next, let's have this one, honey. What do you like doing after school? So we have here, I like blank, I love blah, blah, blah. I am fond of verb plus ing, honey. For example, playing. Yeah, playing basketball, swimming. The word play is the verb, right, honey? What is a verb, my dear?
Playing,
What is a verb? Verb is an action word. Can you give me an example of an action word, honey? Play. What else?
do,
Do. What else?
go,
Go. What else?
uh,
Eat.
eat,
Run.
run.
Yeah. Okay. So I want you to answer this one, honey. What do you like doing after school? Me before, when I was still a student, honey, what I am really fond of reading books. Yeah, after school. How about you, honey? What do you like doing after school right now?
I'm going home after school.
That's what you like doing after school. You like going home after school, yeah? You're so funny, Seal. Okay. I like going home after school. Okay, that is it. Okay, so we have here this one, honey. We have the different types of transportations here, my dear. Let's read all of these, honey. We have the first one. The
How do you go to school every day?
Yes. Okay, let's read these kinds of transportation, honey. Vehicles, honey. Transportation that we can use, honey, okay? We have the first one.
Car, motorcycle,
Yeah.
bicycle,
Bicycle.
bicycle,
Fourth one.
uh,
School. What's that?
scooter,
Scooter. Yeah. 5.
train,
Vehicle.
vehicle,
Yep. Next one.
minibus,
Yep.
bus, lorry,
Lorry.
train,
Train.
train,
Next.
airplane,
Yes.
helicopter,
Yeah.
rocket,
Rocket. Honey, not
rocket,
kit. Rocket. Because this one is or e. Cat. Rocket. One more time. Say it.
rocket,
Yeah.
ferry,
Ferry.
boat, sailboat, ship.
And a sheep. Very good, honey. Now, honey, how do you go to school every day?
I go to school by bike.
By bike? Ah, so you have your own bicycle, honey. Again, honey, honey, you say it or you pronounce it or you say it bicycle. Can you say it? Bicycle.
Bicycle.
Yes, not bicycle. You said a while ago bicycle. Okay, it's a bicycle. All right. So, honey, I asked few of my students, my dear, and I asked them because I have a lot of students, honey, who I teach the same as yours. Okay, we also have the same book as yours, honey. And when we have this kind of topic, I ask them this same question, honey. How do you go to school every day? And they always say, like you, honey, they always say, I go to school every day by bicycle or by bike. So, honey, I am so curious. Is bicycle very common in your country? Seal? Is it very popular in your country?
Maybe when you are
But how about in your
the
school?
student.
For the students. I see. How
If
about
when you are
mm,
the secondary school, they
mm,
usually many of the student is
mm,
going to school by bike.
mhm. Okay. I totally get it, honey. Okay. I see. Here, it's really motorcycle, honey. It's motorcycle and this one. I'm going to show you. Here in my place, I have this tricycle. I'm going to show you, okay? Here, this one, honey. Most of the students use this one by going to school. Yeah. Do you have similar to this, honey? Do you have a tricycle similar to this?
No,
No,
my computer have
you
that.
don't, you don't have this. Yes. Most of the students, honey, has this one. I mean, not the students, but the parents of the students, honey. Yeah, and also this. This is really weird. But this one is very popular here. Let me show you. Here. Okay, here one this one, honey. This one is very popular here, honey. It could have like we can have, I think, one student here, and one student here, honey, and the driver goes here. Yeah, this one is very, very popular one, honey. Popular vehicle that the students use in my place, honey. We call it payong payong. It's like
You
it's
are
new
in a
to you, right?
motorbike, but can drive more, but can go with more people as in the car.
Yes. We cannot, some of the people cannot afford cars here, honey, to have a car. I'll just live in a village or like in a town, so there are just few of, I think just 30% of the population here, honey, owns a car, and the rest owns motorcycle, bike, or the payong payong, honey, or the bao bao, because cars here are very expensive. How about there, Seal? Are the cars there expensive, common, or just normal for the people to have?
I just remember that have a
Mm.
VinFast car is cost as a Yamaha
Mm.
motorbike.
Ah, really? Really, honey?
Yes,
Do you have a car? Do your parents have a car?
my parents
Mm.
have all the idea to drive a car, but they don't have enough money to buy a car.
Same with us. We all have the license, honey. All of us in the family has all the license. We passed the test for driving, but we don't have a car. We cannot afford a car. So expensive. Also expensive there, right, Seal? Am I right?
Yes.
I think I will not eat for a year. If I want to have a car, I will not eat for a year or for 2 years. Okay, you're so funny, Seal. I like you. You make me laugh. Okay. Anyway, honey, have you tried um have you tried going somewhere, honey, by a ship? Have you tried? Or no?
No.
No, you've never. Me, I've tried, honey. And it's so traumatizing. I would never do it again. Anyway, thank you so much, my dear, for that part. Let's have now this one. You are now going to discuss or say something about your favorite teacher, honey. Okay, we have here three parts, honey, on how you deliver the three steps, three outlines, okay, on how you're going to deliver saying or stating your favorite teacher, honey, describing your favorite teacher. We have the first one, the name of your teacher, the age, and the subject that she teaches you. Next one, the physical appearance, honey. Is she tall? Is she thin? Or how she looks like? Okay. Her personality, honey, the third one, the personality. Is she kind? Is she helpful? Is she patient, supportive? Blah blah blah. Okay. So I'm going to give you time and just tell me if you're ready. Okay.
I'm ready.
Okay. Let's go. So let's go, honey. You can start now in 3, 2, 1, go.
Her name is Sam. She is 20. 25-year-old. She teaches me about science. She is very young, but so tall. Um, she is very trustful and supportive.
Thin? Thin, honey? Super thin?
Yes.
Okay. Continue. That's it? That's it, honey?
I don't know to know.
You're done with the personality?
Two of that.
What's her personality again?
Trustful and supportive.
Trustful and supportive. Okay, thank you so much, honey. What's her name again? Sing? That's her name?
Same.
Sen. Sen. Ah, okay, honey. She's your science subject teacher. I see. Okay, and she's very young. Okay. All right, thank you so much for sharing that to me, my dear. Okay, so let's have now the speaking part two. Let's have this one, honey. It's about asking and answering questions using the prompt cards. Let's see if you're going to make questions now. Oh, you are not going to make questions, but you're going to answer these questions. Before answering these questions, Seal, I want you to read what's written in the prompt card.
North London Language School. 6 Mid Road,
Mill,
Business,
Mill Road, Mill
Mill,
Road. Business.
Business, English courses. Start April 29 and May 24. 4-week courses. 50 hour every week at 180 pounds.
Very good. Okay, let's have question number one, Seal. What is the name of the school?
It is Guinness in the course.
Oh, what's the name? Yes. No, no, honey, no. I'm sorry. They teach that course, but the name of the school, honey, is North London. Continue.
North London Language School.
Yes. Language school. Okay. Number two, are there English classes?
Yes, there are.
Yes, there are. There is also business, English course. Honey, the normal English that we are studying or we're having right now, honey, is different from the business English. Okay? So I am separating your answer, which is yes, there are. And we are also going to add the business English because the normal English that we're having right now is very different, very far from the business English. Okay? So in the future, honey, if you're going to have if you're going to have a business, just contact me, okay? Just contact this company. Yeah. English is really nice for adults. Okay. Let's have question number 3. How many hours does the course last every week?
There are 15 hour.
The course lasts
mm, The
The
course
course
lasts
lasts
15
15
hours
hours.
every week.
Very good. 4. How much is the fee? The fee costs
Uh, the fee costs 180 pounds.
very good. 180 pounds. Great job. Hold on, honey. Hold on, honey. Wait for a while. I will just check my internet, honey, okay? Because I think your voice is kind of freezing. Oh, my internet is good. Okay, next one, honey. Let's have number 5. For number 5, when does the course begin?
The course begins at April 90.
It's on April. Yes, April 29. Honey, did you say 19? 29. Okay, now open your chatting box, honey, and let's read your answers. Okay, teacher's going to read the questions first, and you read the answers. Okay, let's start with number 1. What is the name of the school?
It is not London Language School.
Very good. Next one. Are there English classes?
Yes, there are. There is also business English course.
Very good. Next one. How many hours does the course last every week?
The course lasts 50 hours every week.
Very good. Next one. How how much is the fee? Number 4, right, honey? Are we on number 4?
The fee costs 180 pounds.
Yes. 5. When does the course begin?
The course begins on April 19.
Okay.
29.
Yes. Okay, very good, honey. Thank you so much, Seal. So let's have this one. We just have 1.5 minutes left. But let's continue. Okay, before starting to answer these following questions, honey, I want you to read what's written in the prompt card. Please read.
New England Bookshop, 18 Preston Road, largest bookstop in town. Books for language learning, then dictation,
Dictionary.
travel books, dictionary, travel books, Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 8 p.m.
Yes. Honey, do you know?
Telephone
Okay. Okay, continue.
713-880.
Honey, do you know what is a dictionary?
I know.
It's 2DN. 2DN. Yeah. When you don't know the meaning of the English word, honey, yeah, you just go to your dictionary and just search the word, and then you may find the meaning of it. But anyway, honey, I think we are going to continue this material next this coming weekend. Yeah, because we don't have enough time anymore. Thank you so much anyway, Seal. You did so well today. I'm so proud of your performance. Thank you so much, Seal, and see you on Saturday. Bye bye.
Goodbye, teacher.